If Facebook dating is not showing or not working for you, here are a few troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue. Check Facebook app version. Ensure you're using the latest version of the Facebook app. Outdated versions may cause features like Facebook dating to malfunction. Visit the App Store or Google Play Store to check for updates. Enable Facebook dating in your region. Facebook dating is only available in select countries. If you are in a region where Facebook dating is not supported, the feature won't appear. Ensure that your location is within a supported country. Activate Facebook dating. Open the Facebook app. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines and scroll down to find dating. If it's not visible, you may need to access Facebook dating from the Facebook app's Explore section or search for it in the app. Set up your profile to start using Facebook dating. Check Facebook permissions. Go to Facebook settings and check whether your app permissions are correctly set. Enable location access if it is disabled, as Facebook dating uses location services. Clear cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Facebook, Storage and tap Clear cache. Reinstall the Facebook app. If none of the above steps work, uninstall and then reinstall the Facebook app to refresh your settings and features.